Good morning, beautiful people. Happy, finally, foggy Friday. I hope all is well in your world. All is well in mine as I cautiously drive through all this fog with my scarf still wrapped around my edges, attempting to lay them. I can't help but feel so grateful and just bask in the beauty that is the world and all that it beholds. It just shows me all the wonders, and I just feel so overwhelmingly happy, and I hope the same for you. Psych! I always wanted to do spoken word, y'all. No, actually, I just been watching too many band life videos, and they really just inspire me to want to get in tune with the words that I am saying and pretend that a picture is being painted in my mind as I gaze upon the sights that are before me. What is up, my good cousin? What's poppin'? Happy Friday. How are you guys doing today? It is your favorite cousin, Jess, back on your screen with another vlog. Right now, I am headed home after dropping Gia off at school to basically get my life together and first and foremost, get my coffee before my mama be blowing the horn because she ready to bounce. Alright guys, we are on the road headed to the gun range. Oh, they got Long John Silvers. And yeah, we finna buy a gun. Think y'all doing something. Roll up.
Grip is a little bit longer. This probably feels a little better in your hand than that one. You got to move your hand on that. And they're both 9mm. That probably fits your hand too. Yeah.
Okay. We bought a gun. We were gonna go to the gun range, but we're kind of pressed for time today, so we're gonna have to reschedule that for another day. Take a rain check, cousin. But she got a Glock 9. She got a cute little pew pew or whatever. It's got a short trigger, cause the one with the long trigger, she ain't like that. Yeah, I will talk to you guys when I talk to y'all in a little bit. Alright, so when we left the gun shop, we ran into Ross and Marshall's. I found a bunch of stuff, but this week I just didn't really feel like spending no money. So I had shit in my hand, and then the closer and closer that we got to the counter, I just set everything down because I didn't want to spend any money today. And now I am headed to get Gia so that I can bring her back home, co-wash her hair since I already washed it, blow it out, and then I'm going to take her to get it done. So that is what I'm about to do right now.
You don't have to let the money come between us. No, they not even capable to feel us. Yeah. Her skin tinted brown sheets and it's Chanel. Hit the highway when she hitting my cell. Body talking to me, I've been listening well. The type of shit make you forget that you've been living in hell. This for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me. I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me. This for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me. I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me. Hey, look, incense turn to ash, day turn into night. Hate it when the unsaid turn into fights. Gotta keep it player, I'ma speak on the real. This love really ain't a game, girl, don't sleep on the field. You make a nigga from the low side hit a high note. Presidential pussy, girl, you getting my vote. Shower for an hour, then we hit the high.
What are we doing for you? An inspection to see whether I need a replacement or repair.
Oh, that's the one with insurance.
Yeah.
It was a Jeep, right?
Correct, yes.
So he's saying you're gonna need a replacement. You have to make sure that the insurance paperwork reflects what we gotta do for you, whether it's for a replacement or whether it's for a repair. So this is why we were really confused. When I talked to you on the phone yesterday, you said that it was set up on your end as a replacement.
Right.
This is I've never seen before. I've only dealt with this type of referral.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have your do you have your insurance card on you? Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to call so that way I can make sure that they're doing the claim the way that they should.
Mm-hmm.
So that way.
Would it be easier if I just call them right now and?
Well, this is what I'm going to do because we normally do it all the time.
Okay.
I'm going to reach out, call their glass claim, so we make sure we get you set up for what we need to do because the technician said we got to do a replacement.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay. I'm going to hold on to your referral for you, okay? And I actually took the VIN number off of your other paperwork, so I have that in here just in case, okay?
And just give you guys a call back Friday. Okay, we'll do.
Got a new text message, left it clean on scene. Now I seen what it mean to be seen with a queen. Seems so serene, you were seen from a dream.
I'm a mess. Don't know how I got here, but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest. 'Cause I'm a mess. No more you.
Please hold.
Yes.
Has electrical components. Please continue to hold.
Thanks for holding. My name is Ashley. How can I help you?
Calling back for a third time to check on my paperwork to see if my windshield request was approved.
Give me just a moment, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we haven't had any dealer parts approved yet, and none of our techs will do your vehicle. None of us. We don't have we don't have anybody that's been doing glass. They're all kind of new within a year or so of tech, so nobody's sure how to do it. We don't want to mess up your vehicle. You understand? We don't have any of the techs that were here like 30 years before we got rid of them.
This is Amy. How can I help you?
Calling because I had a referral sent over to an auto glass place to get my windshield replaced. However, it's been a week and now they're telling me that none of the technicians will do my windshield and that they can't get the dealer part approved. So I need my referral sent to another auto glass place. I am calling to see about possibly getting an appointment for a windshield replacement.
Okay, and the year, make, and model of the vehicle?
It is a Jeep Wrangler 2019. I want the same windshield that's in there with the Willys logo.
Yeah, I can get that glass for tomorrow, the one with the logo on it. Let me get phone real really quick, and they're just going to confirm with you that you want to switch to us, okay?
Okay, awesome.
Alrighty, and I have you all set as far as that work order being sent over. You have any additional questions?
I don't.
You're going to be all set up to go for tomorrow. I'll have them give you a call as soon as we get going in the morning by 9 to confirm my time, okay?
Okay, awesome.
You say they ain't moving.